this video is to help you set a schedule. So the first thing I want you to look at was that letter that was sent out to parents and students over email a couple weeks ago. I want you to scroll all the way to that end of that letter and click on that personalized pacing guide. This personalized pacing guide is here for you to help organize how you want to set up your schedule each week. It's nice because it correlates with every leverage target that's on the syllabus. So you're going to notice on the 6th grade syllabus, you have comparing and ordering numbers, and then it correlates exactly with your, let's see, right here, it correlates exactly with what's on the organizer here to help you set up a schedule. So these are all in order with the leverage targets that were on the syllabus. Here they are. So now what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to set up a schedule that works for you and your family, taking in consideration any activities that you have, taking in consideration any vacations that you might be taking. And what you're going to want to do is where it says goal for a week, for following week. This is a nice spot to take notes of, first of all, putting the date here of when you're going to be working on this leverage target. Now, your first, it says mastery, yes or no. This here is helpful because in the Schoology folders, where there were pre-tests, this is to help you say, okay, I took the pre-test, maybe you want to put a little P here, and at the pre-test I got this. Okay, so my goal for the week is to work on X, Y, and Z, putting that over here. And so you're going to do, then maybe you do the post-test and then you write your score for the post-test here so that you know yes or no, did I master that or do I need to come back to that? Your goal for the following week is where you're going to write the date and what it is that you're going to work on with comparing and ordering numbers. And then you do that again for the next leverage target that is on here. So again, once I've mastered comparing and ordering numbers, then I'm going to look at the next leverage target in order. Remember, we're following the leverage targets in order. You can do them any way you want, but they're in order from how they are posted in the CPM book. So then the next one is percent decimal fraction conversions. I'm going to take that pretest and see how I did. I'm going to write if I mastered that pretest or not, and then I'm going to set myself a goal. Which lessons do I need to probably work through? What type of problems do I need to work through in the learning and practice and Schoology? And then what week am I going to be doing that? So like I said, this pacing guide or pacing chart is here to help. Now, if you are wondering, well, how many lessons should I be doing, or how many units should I be doing, or leverage targets should I be doing a week? I already went and kind of put up my own schedule. So if you go into that 6th grade introduction letter, and if you click on that summer meeting schedule right here, that's going to bring you to this document right here. Now, if you scroll down on this document, you'll see that under whole group meetings, every Tuesday, I'll be doing live lessons from 11 to 11:30, and I organize my live lessons according to the weeks that we will be together. And I also did them in order of the syllabus. So if you want to use this as kind of your pacing guide, that would be just fine. So you're going to see on June 30th, I really can put I kind of put a couple different leverage targets for that following week, comparing and ordering numbers and conversions, July 7th, the order of operations, and so on. So you can kind of look through here and see how that's organized. Again, some leverage targets I combine, like there's 2 leverage targets here, there's a couple leverage targets here, and there's a couple here. Some weeks I only did 1. I also put this because I know that my family's going to be on vacation during the week of July 4th, so I made sure to not put that in my schedule. So again, that's how you're going to be thinking about this. You're going to be thinking about it in terms of what time do I have during the summer, I would set up the weeks. I would look at the calendar, and then I would look at that syllabus or those leverage targets, and then I would make sure that I have completed those leverage targets by the end of that week, August 4th, because the following week is when we will be taking that final assessment.